Welcome to my slow English podcast. So you can listen before you sleep, while you clean, maybe you get ready. Listen whenever. My daily routine. Routine you do every day. That is called routine. In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I eat breakfast. My favorite breakfast is egg bread. I eat egg bread every day. It is my favorite breakfast. What is your favorite breakfast? What is your favorite breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? After breakfast, I do yoga. I love yoga. I love yoga. I love stretching every day. I love stretching every day. Then I get ready for my work. Then I get ready for my work. I am a teacher. I am an English teacher. What is your job? What is your job? Who do you work with? Who do you work with? I work with students. After teaching, I study. After teaching, I study. Then I eat lunch. I normally eat dal and chawal in my lunch. I normally eat dal and chawal for my lunch. After lunch, I get ready for my dance class. For my dance class. I love dancing. I love dance. Do you like dance? Do you like dance? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? In my free time, I like to dance. In the evening, I relax at home. I watch TV, I read a book, sometimes I cook dinner, sometimes I cook pasta. I love pasta. I love pasta. What is your favorite dinner? What is your? At 11 p.m., I go to sleep. I love sleeping. I love sleeping. I love feeling cozy and comfy. What about your daily routine? What about your daily routine? What do you usually do every day? What do you usually do every day? What is your name? My name is Shika. What is your name? How old are you? I am 28-year old. Where are you from? I am from India. Where do you currently live now? Where do you currently live now? I currently live in Brunei. I currently live in Brunei. My neighbors are very friendly. My neighbors are very friendly. My birthday is 7th June. My birthday is 7th. I like myself surrounded by my family and friends. I like myself surrounded by my family and friends. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? How do you celebrate it? How do you celebrate it? My favorite season is winter. And my favorite color is purple. Purple remind me flowers. Purple remind me flowers. The flowers that bloom in the spring. What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?